With 2 spoons, I will teach you a massage to remove wrinkles from the face. Welcome to Physiolution. I'm Ruben Santo, acupuncturist you can trust. And today we are going to do a massage with 2 spoons to reduce swelling, rejuvenate the face, and remove wrinkles. The first thing you'll need to do this massage, which also has many centuries, because look how much time has a spoon. To achieve effective results, it is important to have 2 spoons that have been refrigerated for approximately 15 minutes. Chilling the spoons provides a cooling effect, which is beneficial in toning the skin. It is also advisable to find a comfortable spot where the procedure can be carried out peacefully. This can be on a small table in a quiet area or in front of a mirror for better visualization. And finally, you also need some kind of oil or some kind of cream to help the spoons move. Remember these 3 facts when applying cream. Firstly, cleanse your face. Secondly, ensure your spoons are properly placed. Lastly, do not deviate from the 218 character limit. Additionally, it is crucial to remember that you must adhere to this regimen for 25 consecutive days in order to observe an improvement in skin firmness. It goes without saying that you should never compromise your well-being during this process. So let's start this great spoon massage. And how are we going to start? Let's start at the bottom. Notice, without squeezing too much, we're going to do 6 times as often as we do. Here we're going to do a little bit. There, smooth. 5, okay, and 6. After that, here, 1. Let's also include the spoons in our follow-up activities, shall we? 4, 5. Also, it's very relaxing. And 6. Okay, laughs. That would be the first one. Second, we're going to change the position of the spoon a little bit, and we're going to go around the chin to the ears. Notice 6 times every time. We start here, okay? Right there. In addition, the delightful chill provided by the spoons is always beneficial. We observe the slight movement while also noticing the spreading of the neck skin. It happens 3 times. And last. Perfect. Third little step we're going to do now, okay? You put one on this side. And with this one, okay, you follow this line. Across the lips and up a little bit, raising the cheekbone at the end. Right here. In fact, now I'm going to tell you 6 benefits that this massage has. Remember that it is a very ancient massage. And also very pleasant to do on the face, Apart from everything it brings. Let's continue a little bit more. Notice all the convulsion of the lips. It is going to increase. So you're saying that it would also increase blood circulation in that area and give the sensation of slightly fuller lips, right? It would be on this side. And now we would do it, obviously, also on the other side, which would be here, okay? I'm not going to repeat it, but it would be this side, okay? Entering here. From the bottom, we go up. And here would be another 6 times. Benefit of this massage, which is also a technique of mechanical action, i.e. it is of mechanical action, that is to say, basically, it's a simple technique that you can learn easily. The primary advantage is that it helps to tone your skin. Another benefit is that it helps to shape your facial structure. This entire process is instrumental in improving the texture of your skin and sculpting your face, all the way down to the chin. And the third benefit is it also enhances or tones this whole part of the cheekbones. Fourth benefit would be that it improves the chin groove, okay? It improves this whole chin line, okay? Fifth benefit, and some of you may be familiar with this from another video as well, is the nasolabial fold, which also works it. This whole part right here is very pronounced, right? And also, the last and 6th benefit, look at everything it does with 2 teaspoons. It also helps with the little wrinkles at the corner of the lips. All this part here that falls a little bit, that goes down, look, the smile, because it helps to keep us fresher and with a better... The 6 benefits are to keep us fresher, with a better smile, maximizing the preservation of meaning. Fourth part of the massage, we are going to place it in the corner of the lips. We start here in the middle, okay? Right there, almost touching. And stretch a little bit, huh? Like I'm smiling, right? But without causing the smile, huh? Just stretching. We're going to do 6 here, right? In this part. And we're going to do it up and down too, huh? We do 6. Remember, there are 6. There. I'm going to do 3 with you. And down 2. How hard do I squeeze, if you ask me? Well, I squeeze without hurting myself, huh? I feel the pressure on everything. And the sensation of stretching. Spoon massage on the face, an ancient beauty technique boasted by various cultures, has long been known for its favorable effects. Originating from traditional Chinese medicine, the practice involved the use of jade or quartz spoons to amplify blood circulation and enhance skin vitality. By harnessing natural methods, this time-honored procedure has gained worldwide popularity, admired for its ability to diminish swelling, rejuvenate the complexion, and induce a state of tranquil relaxation. Consequently, this treatment has encountered immense satisfaction among those who incorporate it into their home beauty regimens. Fifth part of the massage, we're going to work with the cheekbones, and we're going to grab here a little bit. 6 times. There, all the way to the temples. Okay, under the bone and from there up. 5. And last. Okay, perfect. Let's go now to the under eye area, okay? Let's close the little eye, huh? We close the little eye and put the spoon. We put the other one too. Here. And we also stretch the skin a little bit towards the crow's feet as well, okay? Obviously this without squeezing, right? Very little squeezing here, okay? As a Chinese master of mine would tell me, do not squeeze. There. And last. And the last part of the massage, where is it going to be? On the forehead, effectively. What are we going to do? Watch this. We're going to go alternately one to the other. Here. Opening. And when we get there again, we go down. We're going to do the whole line, the whole line, the whole line, the whole line. Going through. The truth is that it is a super relaxing massage besides with the coolness of the spoons. The spoons are not so cold anymore, so you take others. You keep 4 and wonderful, right? And we go back again. I make 3, but remember that there are 6. Can you observe my complexion? Do you notice any signs of aging? Notice the reason behind my regular facial massage routine. It aims to relax my skin. Stay tuned for a video demonstration. Overall, what can we anticipate from this message and the various measures? Initially, it will augment both your physical and mental well-being. Consequently, you will experience a higher level of relaxation and serenity. The massage will make you feel relaxed. The second thing we are going to do is improve lymphatic circulation and also eliminate toxins from the skin. Last but not least, in addition to restoring elasticity and firmness to the skin, it will aid in the reduction of expression lines, ultimately yielding a more youthful appearance. In order to commence the massage, it is vital to ensure that your hands are clean and your nails are trimmed short. This precaution is particularly important as we will be starting with the area of the hair. Before we begin, let's take a moment to gather ourselves and find some calm by focusing on our breath. And take a moment to place your hands on your abdomen and take a deep breath. If you want to, you can partially close your eyes. Now let's do this together. Breathe in, fill your abdomen and let go. Let's initiate the massage once again. Where should we begin? We should commence with the area encompassing the hair. The reason for this choice is the area of the hair, the skin on top of the head, shares a connection with the skin on the forehead. As we focus on treating wrinkles on the forehead, that is where we will start our treatment. If your ponytail is excessively tight, it is recommended to loosen it slightly and allow some circulation to reach the hair area. This will help prevent any discomfort or potential damage. We start with the tips of our fingers. Let's place them a bit. And we will position ourselves from the back. Let's start the massage. Fingertips, as we said, will go on the scalp, moving backward. The vicinity near the ears, approximately at a distance of around 2 fingers, is observed. Alright, not here, but only a small spot on the scalp of where it is. Let us commence at this point and initiate the creation of delicate loops around. going forward and back. Okay, here is what we are going to do. We will gently pull on the skin to stretch it a little. Additionally, I recommend applying a reasonable amount of pressure. Forward and back. I am amazed by the way this strand of hair effortlessly sways and flows. And while we do this circular massage, we will gradually move up a little. In this way, we are also helping to distribute it through the bloodstream as well, across the scalp. We continue utilizing our fingertips. Just bear in mind that we were present at this location and soon we will go towards the core of the mind. Now let us create stimulation from this very point where we have been moving circularly. Our next course of action is upward. And we will alternate between moving our fingertips gently back and forth on the entire scalp area, ensuring a soothing experience. How long should we remain? How much time is needed? It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for everything we have accomplished. So that's the initial step. Now let's focus on the region of the forehead. Our initial step will be to unwind ourselves before commencing the stretching. So what are the steps we ought to take? We will also place our fingertips here in this area, about halfway up the forehead. Then we'll go upward toward where the hair starts. Why? To relax the forehead a bit here. We will do the same exercise as before for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, as we have previously discussed, we will carry out this routine both in the morning and in the evening. In the evening, would it also be beneficial to apply a cream? If so, that would be fantastic. Here, and we start going up, making small circles. You see me, right? With these 3 fingers. Going up. That would be to reach the end. The primary factor that contributes to the formation of both expression lines and wrinkles is the natural aging process and the decrease in collagen and elastin production that occurs as an individual gets older. In addition to being exposed to damaging ultraviolet rays, the skin is also affected by pollutants such as smoke and gases, all of which have adverse effects. This massage will contribute to stretching the skin, which promotes tightened, more energized and lively skin. Next, we'll stimulate the skin, commencing from the chin and progressing upward. We'll perform this with rapid movements using 2 fingers. We start here in this area. Let's move up. We commence our work by initiating a slight stimulation in the area of the jaw, underlining its importance. Then in the center, and then we'll move on. We also focus on treating crow's feet and perform treatments on the forehead. Our goal is to stimulate circulation and activate it for optimal results. The entire area of the skin. We can additionally do this for a few minutes if desired. And keep in mind, relax first, then energize. Okay, as you may have observed, we were previously stretching and now we will finish the stretching exercises, specifically targeting the wrinkles on the forehead. Do you happen to observe those tiny creases located just above the eyebrows? That is the specific area we will direct our attention towards. Please be aware that performing this action will result in the development of those same little creases by anyone who imitates it. That doesn't imply I have wrinkles, but it shows up. So what are we going to do? Look, we'll place the victory sign here where we want to work. To start, we will prioritize addressing one side, then approach the other side. It is crucial to note that solely attending to one side and neglecting it is not appropriate. So we go here as if I were stitching. There, I'm going to go here. Sewing. And again, sewing, pressing with your finger. It doesn't matter if you press with one finger or the other, just use one, okay? Both sides, for about 2 or 3 minutes each day, particularly at night. Keep the duration consistent to ensure effectiveness. We carry on with the V symbol, the victory sign, okay? This is it. Please take note of something as well. It's possible that you haven't noticed, but I need to elongate my fingers in order to place them correctly. This fact is of great importance and should not be overlooked. We were furrowing our brows a bit, and now we'll start making small circles to keep things going. Alright, shall we gather here and form circular patterns? And here, very small circles, alright? To help Let's slightly smooth out the crease and lengthen it as we previously talked about. Okay? Each side. Same duration, 2 or 3 minutes, especially at night. Gradually, and there it is. Now we're going to move on to the third part, the last step for this spectacular massage I'm teaching you. See, it's a point called Yintang, okay? Some call it the third eye. We'll place it in between the eyebrows, here, okay? Not down here. Not on the nose, but here in the center, okay? There are 2 ways to work this point. This is important, okay? You can press here and hold it for 60 seconds, all right? Press here for a moment, a little inward. If I can't, well, I'll press with the other one too, okay? To soothe the glabella. Alternatively, another technique we can use is circular movement in the center, okay? Without too much pressure, but there. How much time? 2 or 3 minutes too, all right? And I advise doing it in the morning and at night. Okay? What are we going to work on? We're going to relax the space between the eyebrows and the dark circles. So we've worked on the forehead, glabella, and now the dark circles. Please follow all the steps of the massage that I have taught you for a minimum of 2 weeks to notice your skin with much more vitality, much more firmness, and much better. If you have successfully completed all the exercises and have been doing them consistently for a period of 2 to 3 weeks, you will not only achieve a beautiful face, but also experience a significant boost in vitality. So, as always, don't forget, like, subscribe, and click the bell. And until recovery, and with a better face too. Talk to you later.